Morning everyone. What a beautiful day it is. Even though it's autumn, we've got the sun out, so it's a good day. Lovely jubbly. I've just put my hair up in a bun, slapped a little bit of makeup on because, you know, got to make myself feel a little bit better. But I'm just going to take you through my day really. Show you the food I'm eating because I am a veggie and I've been doing really well with that. So absolutely love it and I'm hungry. So we're going to make some breakfast, going to have some nice lunch and going to eat some din-dins. But yeah, show you my day, people. Me and my family at the moment are really into growing our vegetables organically because vegetables that aren't grown organically don't have as much nutrition and they have chemicals sprayed all over them and they just haven't got as much nutrition and aren't as good for you as if you grow them yourself. So we've been growing tomatoes, we like growing all sorts, to be honest. Anything we can grow, we like green beans, all that lovely stuff. Just so much better for you and it tastes so much better for you as well. You just know you get better nutrition, so organic all the way. And also eggs as well, organic eggs. They're so much better than free range. When you think free range you're thinking you're doing better, but you need to get organic. So it's hard work, but for your own benefit and your own health, that's what you gotta do, people. Supplements as well. I like to take supplements, so I like to take stuff that benefits my health, so probiotics, iron, women's health, vitamin D. What sort of supplements I take, I'll show you the bottles and talk more about it, or I can do that in another video, I'll see. Supplements are great for when your body is deficient in these vitamins, so you can take them as supplements, so that's what I do, and it just gets you feeling a lot more healthier. You can also get checked by the doctor what you are deficient in by getting a blood test, and they can tell you if you are deficient in anything. But majority of the time, a lot of it doesn't show up on the blood test, so it's always great to get extra vitamin D because now it's winter, the sun isn't going to be out as much, so I have this little spray, it's vitamin D spray, and you spray it under your tongue and it's great. And yeah, just great for the body to keep on moving. You just need to visit your health store, and a lot of the people that work in health store will give you information on what you need. If you've got any like illnesses, it's all to do with lack of vitamins and the diet that you are having. So yeah. Just something else I have learnt. If you suffer a lot with like anxiety, you crave a lot of sweet foods, fattening foods all the time, and there's loads, I'll list all these symptoms here. You might have parasites, and these parasites are like worms in your body and they feed off like fattening foods, and you have to actually do a big cleanse to get rid of them. It's insane and it's really scary. So yeah, if you have a really unhealthy diet and you have these symptoms, you might want to get checked with doing this cleanse. Can I just say, look at this homegrown organic cucumber. What the hell? It doesn't even look like the ones in the shop, does it? But this is what a cucumber looks like if you grow it yourself. Crazy. Crazy. And it does taste like a cucumber, and it's yummy, okay? It's yummy. This is my homemade hummus, and it's really delicious. A little bit spicy. I accidentally added too much cayenne pepper, but it's yum. Yummy. My salads, I really like to drizzle this organic coconut vinegar, chili and ginger. It's so yummy and it goes really well on top of salad. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. This stuff. That is my lunch, so let me explain what is on my plate. So that is pasta. It's garlic with mushrooms and tomatoes. It's like a summer pasta. And then this is quinoa and couscous with chickpeas, sultanas, onion, garlic, a few little spices in it. And then that's my salad with my organic cucumber and my hummus. I love lunches like this. It's just right up my street. Bit carby, but tasty. Tasty. Should we have a taste, shall we? Goodness. You know what? Health tastes good. Okay, so something a little bit different. You may not know this about me, but I like to do oracle readings, tarot card readings and all that good stuff. It's just something I'm really into. I love all that stuff, and I'm really into spirituality. I love meditation, chakra and all that good stuff. Law of attraction as well. If you don't know about it, look it up. It will change your life forever. Okay, so I'm just going to do myself a reading so you know what I'm talking about. So, these tarot cards, well, oracle card readings, are Guardian Angel tarot cards. And it's by Doreen Virtue. She does loads of different angel cards, so they're really good. So what I do, it's a big pack like this. And you've got to put your energy on them. So you've got to hold them for a while, shuffle them, and really just get all that energy, that loving energy that you have onto these cards. And just keep shuffling. And in your head, you can just ask for certain answers that you want to be answered, or things like that. Usually I like to shuffle them until my card jumps out at me. So I'm not the best shuffler. Okay. So we've got 4 cards. There's an extra one jumped out, so we'll go with that. Okay. So, seeing clearly. It's time to view things from a different perspective. You have the blessed gift to see past the current situation and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry, the pause in the momentum while you rethink your plan won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. Love that. You guys won't understand like the messages that I get from these, but I'm just showing you what I do. This is what I'm into. Free of fault. Loving angels surround you to heal and comfort you. The sadness you feel will fade away in time, and then you'll be able to see clearly how important the situation has been for your spiritual growth. Take the time you need to forgive yourself and others so that you can embrace the future with joy. Nice. 6 of action. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotion or other recognition for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offers assistance, know that is the person is heaven sent, and say yes. And the last card, Healer of Thought. It's time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space to makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful and caring, has a wonderful sense of humour and offers a lot of life experience. So also with these cards there comes a book which tells you more meaning to the cards. So I won't do all of them, I'll just do an example of one. Loving angels surround you now. Heaven offers healing to all those who request it. The sadness you feel will fade away with time, and all that will remain is a stronger, more spiritually involved you. There's no need to be alone. Seek out loved ones to spend time with. Ask your angels to help you find groups or organisations full of compassionate people who will embrace you with open arms. Give yourself time to heal while also reaching out for the joys of life. Also, always look for the positive in any challenge. Ask heaven to help you see the good that came from adversity. You're an amazing person, created by diverse experiences ranging from joy to sadness. The blending of these chapters of your life makes you one of God's beautiful and powerful children. And additional meanings of this card: giving comfort to a friend in need, experience the loss, forgiving yourself and others, letting go of the past in order to embrace the future, heart alignments. Beautiful.